Savoring the Good has added Spice Labs to the recipe card. Let me show you what I love about it. Go ahead and click your jump to recipe if you wanted to do just the recipe. But keep in mind there's a lot of great instructions and tips in the body of the post as well. So we're going to click the Cook Step-by-Step button. Yep, I do have all those items. So I'm going to start making the recipe. So in a non-reactive pan, whisk together sugar, water, lemon juice, and salt. And I'm going to click the next button. And I'm going to walk me through step by step. This is the guided recipe. Do I want to start a timer for 2 minutes? Sure. And that will go. If you don't want a guided recipe, or just would like the full recipe, it is in this tab right here. I want to point out that we do have Chatbot Sarah. This will be pulling from my frequently asked questions and information found in the post. If the question you are asking is not there, it is going to give you the best option it's able to do in the moment. Keep in mind, AI bots are not always right, they're not always true. But if it is a question that comes from me that is found Savoring the Good, I will give you the answer I feel is best. I hope this is helpful and you have a great experience on Savoring the Good.